If you've got 2x equals -4, a lot of times this will come from like an equation that's a little bit further along, but you'll get to this last point here. What you're looking for really is 2 times what equals -4. Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been a STEM teacher for 20 years. I like to make math engaging and fun and not so scary for everyone involved. So if you're looking for tutoring, for in-person tutoring or Zoom tutoring or Cameo micro tutoring, click the link and do the stuff. So when we have 2 times something is -4, you can think about that. So you can look at this like, okay, well, 2 times 2 is +4, right? But I have a -4. So the rule with negatives is if you are multiplying or dividing and the signs are the same, so you're multiplying or dividing 2 positives or 2 negatives, the answer is going to be positive, no matter what. If they're 2 negatives, it's positive. If it's 2 positives, it's positive. I think I said that right. Now that's only for multiplying and dividing. With adding and subtracting, it's a little bit more, that's when we get into like the number line and canceling values out. But here, if I've got 2 times what is -4, well, this 2 is not negative. So that means that what's in the x has to be the -1, right? So it would be 2 times, let me use this, 2 times -2 would give me -4. So that means that 2x is 2 times -2. So x equals -2, okay? The other way you can do that is if you start with this 2x equals -4, right? So this way you can just kind of see it, right? But otherwise you can divide both sides by 2, right? Because if you've got 2 times a number is -4, then you could have 2 times 2 is -4, or -4 divided by 2 gives you -2. Okay, so just a couple different ways to do that. That's mathed up.